Tired of cough syrups full of chemicals? Today I'll show you 5 surprising natural ingredients for a DIY cough remedy. And you won't believe number 3. Ingredients. 1. Honey, nature's liquid gold, coats the throat and calms irritation. 2. Ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory root that clears congestion. 3. Onion, yes, onion. Surprising, but it's been used for centuries to ease coughs with natural compounds that fight infection. 4. Thyme, this herb relaxes the throat muscles and helps you breathe easier. 5. Lemon, rich in vitamin C. It boosts immunity and cuts through mucus. How to use: combine honey, grated ginger, and a little onion juice. Add thyme tea and fresh lemon. Sip warm. And let nature heal your cough. Why settle for artificial syrups when you can heal with herbs? Subscribe for more natural remedies and ancient healing secrets.